So hello everyone, welcome to IDALS and I'm Charles Edward. I will be teaching you intermediate choreography today on a song named Brinks Up by King Elvis, Brown D, Evil and MC Altaf. So first of all, I love performing on rap songs and especially this song, it has a gangster vibe. So I try to do in a gangster way, like bold and tight. So I hope you love it. So as usual, we'll learn it step by step followed by full-fledged showcase. So without wasting any time, let's begin with our tutorial. So let's start this tutorial from section 1 as I divide this choreography into 3 sections. So let's start the tutorial. So first we'll just stand still, just keep your legs joined and just stand normal and keep your hands joined, and then we'll just use the body. It goes left, right, left and normal. So we are just going down and down. So 5, 6, 7, go left, right, left, right. So from level 1 I'm coming to level 2. So let's go 5, 6, 7, go 1 and 2 and again one more time 5, 6, 7, go 1 and 2 and so from here we'll just do a Punjabi step which is like prrrra, and we'll just look up. Let's go 5, 6, 7, go prrrra. One more time. Let's go 5, 6, 7, go prrrra. One more time 5, 6, 7, go prrrra. So let's go from the top one more time 5. Just stand still, keep your hands joined and we'll use our body 5, 6, 7, go left, right and prrrra. One more time 5, 6, 7, go 1 and 2 and 3 and one more time 5, 6, 7, go 1 and 2 and 3 and so after this we'll just step out. This is my left leg and this is my right leg, right hand, left hand. So I'll step out from my left leg 5, 6, 7, go 1 and just keep slide and it'll be up at 2. So we'll go 5, 6, 7, go 1 and 2. One more time 5, 6, 7, go 1 and 2. One more time 5, 6, 7, go 1 and 2. 5, 6, 7, go 1 and 2. So step out, like step out and just slide and up. Let's go 5, 6, 7, go 1 and 2. One more time 5, 6, 7, go 1 and 2. So from here we have to just place our right hand. So we'll just place the right hand along with my left leg. So I'm just placing it 5, 6, 7, go 1. One more time 5, 6, 7, go 1. 5, 6, 7, go 1. So along with this I'm just keeping my left hand on my right shoulder. Let's go 5, 6, 7, go 1. One more time 5, 6, 7, go 1. One more time 5, 6, 7, go 1. One more time 5, 6, 7, go 1. So from the top, let's go slowly one by one. 5, 6, 7, go left, right, 1 and 2 and 3. One more time, let's go 5, 6, 7, go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Last time 5, 6, 7, go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So from here I'm just rotating my hands. So you guys just see first. So I'll rotate my hand 1 and 2. One more time 5, 6, 7, go 1 and 2. So while I'm straightening, like while I'm pushing my right hand upside, so I'm just keeping my elbow up, left hand's elbow up. One more time 5, 6, 7, go rotate and push. One more time 5, 6, 7, go rotate and push. One more time 5, 6, 7, go rotate and push. So let's go from the top 5, 6, 7, go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. You guys are getting it? Let's go 5, 6, 7, go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. One more time. Let's go 5, 6, 7, go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. So from here, we'll just go step and then keep your hands normal and go down. Just use the level and level 2. So after this, just slide. Slide your left leg, just slide. One more time. 5, 6, 7, go. Slide your left leg and just stand normal. 5, 6, 7, go. 1. So from here, 5, 6, 7, go. 1. So while doing this, just call someone, like let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and. So the counting will be 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and. One more time. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and. So just call someone. Keep an attitude like you're calling someone. So just use your body language like a normal people using their normal body language when they are acting normal. When they are acting normal, so use the same body language. 5, 6. So we'll go from here. 5, 6, 7, go. 4 and 5 and 6 and one more time. 5, 5, 6, 7, go. 4 and 5 and 6 and last time. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and so from here we just have to use our legs and just step, just that is right and left. So we have to use our right leg and left leg. So first right leg, just step, and then left leg, just step. 5, 5, 6, 7, go. Step. One more time. 5, 6, 7, go. Step. One more time. 5, 6, 7, go. Step. So after this, I'm just using my legs. 5, 6, 7, go. Right, left. So while using your legs along with your leg, just use your right hand with your right leg at the same time, left leg with your left hand. Let's go. 5, 5, 6, 7, go. Right hand and left hand. One more time. 5, 6, 7, go. Right, left. So while using your right leg, so just look back and then front. Just look back and then front. One more time. 5, 6, 7, go. Look back and front. So step, back, front. 5, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2. 5, 5, 6, 7, go. 7 and. One more time. 5, 6, 7, go. 7 and. 5, 5, 6, 7, go. 7 and. 5, 6, 7, go. 7 and. So we'll do it from here. One more time. 5, 5, slowly. 5, 6, 7, go. 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and. So after this, it's a very simple step. You guys have to clap, like clap. So we'll use our level 2.